on avait le choix, Miss Alouette, Miss Salon de la jeunesse ou Miss Kawasaki, puis on s'est dit, bof, tant qu'à faire. Voici Miss Univers 2004, Jennifer Hudson.
Depuis l'âge de 7 ans, qu'elle a ça dans le sang. Elle a étudié le chant.
Jennifer, bienvenue à l'émission.
Thank you very much.
Welcome in Montreal.
This is Marc Labrèche.
Yeah. I love kangaroos.
That's good because I've got one in my backyard, hey?
Jennifer, hier, vous étiez en Inde. Vous n'avez pas dormi depuis 2 jours. Vous n'avez pas honte de vous présenter comme ça, poqué à la télévision.
Yeah, it was fairly long. I slept a little bit on the plane, but oh, really? Sorry.
You must do something.
Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have come on the show, hey?
No, it's okay.
Yeah. India was great. It was a fun experience.
Jennifer, quelle est la différence entre Miss Monde et Miss Univers? Miss Univers, ça inclut les autres planètes?
Mars, etc., like that. No, two different competitions. They do different. They have different causes for their different girls who win, and it's just sort of Pepsi, Coke. I suppose you can relate it to that. They're like 2 beauty pageants, but yet they work with different different charity events. So, yeah.
Jennifer, vous avez 20 ans. Vous êtes originaire de Newcastle, en Australie. Ce qu'on connaît, nous, de l'Australie, c'est Olivia Newton-John, Nicole Kidman et ceci. Est-ce que vous connaissez Skippy?
You don't know Skippy. It's peanut butter.
I do. I like Skippy, you know.
Have you met him?
Yes. Quite a nice fella, yeah.
How old is he?
I don't know. I think he's getting on now. So.
Is he sane? Is he able to...
He's getting a bit...
he's gone a bit crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dans le concours Miss Univers, un trophée est remis pour le plus beau costume typique. C'est quoi un costume typique australien? Est-ce que c'est un bikini avec une poche en avant?
No, typical Australian costume. What I wore was a dress, you know, it had the streets, the bays of Darling Harbour on the bottom of the dress, and I don't know, like a typical dress, I suppose, maybe a bikini. I should tell the girl next year to do that. I'm sure the viewers would love it.
Pour devenir une Miss Univers, est-ce qu'il faut avoir recours à la chirurgie esthétique?
No, they don't. They're not for that. If somebody does, like someone could break their nose and need a nose repair or something like that, you're not banned from it, but they don't encourage it, that's for sure. So, yeah.
Vous avez pas eu de chirurgie esthétique?
No.
Avez-vous des mèches?
Pardon?
Avez-vous des mèches?
Mesh?
Des mèches? Is it all your real blonde?
Yes. Oh, no, I've got highlights. Some highlights. Sorry.
Vous savez, un blond cendré 105, je le connais.
Oh, you call me.
Jennifer, c'est l'heure de la question qui tue. Jennifer, comment s'appelait la concurrente du Canada au concours de Miss Univers?
Oh, no. Was it Vanessa?
Oui?
Yeah?
Oui?
Oui.
Wow! Vanessa Fisher. C'était Vanessa Fisher.
Very
Bravo.
good. Congratulations.
Vanessa.
Thank you.
Vanessa.
À l'automne 2002, le concours Miss Monde devait se dérouler au Nigeria. Opposés à cet étalage de nudité, les leaders islamiques avaient prévenu que l'affaire risquait de tourner dans un bain de sang. Des émeutes avaient éclaté et fait plus de 200 morts. Le concours s'est finalement tenu à Londres. Vous pensez quoi du sort des femmes islamiques?
That's a terrible thing that happened. I think you know, that's their religion, and were they saying that the Miss Universe
Yeah.
was a nudity contest?
Oui.
Is that what they were saying? Is that what you mean? Well, that's sort of incorrect anyway. So it's a shame that so many lives were lost when it was sort of incorrect information, I suppose. Yeah, that's all I can sort of say about that. Are you asking my opinion about Muslim women?
Oui.
Well, that's their religion, so I don't want to say anything about that. But yeah, I just feel for the families that lost the people from this situation.
Miss France avait refusé de participer au concours au Nigeria en soutien à Amina Lawal, une jeune Nigérienne qui risquait la lapidation pour adultère. Miss France avait remis à l'ambassade du Nigeria à Paris une pétition de 75 000 signatures exigeant l'acquittement de la jeune femme. Le titre de Miss Monde ou de Miss Univers, ça peut donc aider à défendre des causes. Vous, quelle cause vous voulez défendre?
My cause is AIDS. So I speak about that. I've spoken about that for the last 6 months, and I'll continue to do it for the next 6, and hopefully after my reign. Miss Universe organisation have had it for the last 4 years, so every girl for the last 4 years has spoken about AIDS, so they can continue it on and not start a new cause. So yeah, I took that on, and I'm glad that I can help out.
Vous aimeriez utiliser vos contacts et votre expérience pour travailler dans le domaine de la télévision, a-t-on appris. On a un poste ici de recherchiste stagiaire disponible. Avez-vous envie de déménager à Montréal?
Well, thank you. It's very beautiful here. I really want to start up television.
You would be so happy.
Could work here or no?
Yeah, work and do other things.
And what would that entail? No.
No.
Yeah, I wanted to get in television for a long time, and being Miss Universe, I got to sign a contract in Australia for a television company, and I'm ecstatic about that.
Vous allez passer de Miss Univers à Miss Météo?
Miss Weather? No. Maybe Miss Travel Show. I don't know. No, I don't know. I'm doing a travel show, so that's...
Oh, yeah? You do
Yeah,
that?
like lighthearted
Okay.
and something fun, so that'd be great.
Okay. Do you have time to have a boyfriend?
At the moment?
Yeah,
so-
even yesterday or tomorrow? I mean,
Maybe
do you
tomorrow.
still have time to love and be loved?
Oh, yes. I hope so.
Oh, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, it is kind of hard because you don't see your family all that often.
Yeah.
But
Do you
keep
come-
in contact all the time.
Well, I
Sounds
wish
funny
you very good happiness with your soul and your body.
Well, thank you.
Vous avez vécu un moment embarrassant lors d'un défilé de mode en septembre dernier. Jennifer, look at your camera and say, Manon, push the button. On va regarder ça, Manon.
Support Miss Universe 2004, Jennifer Hawkins.
And Jennifer on behalf.
Ben là, tu sais, regarde.
You know what? I've seen that so many times.
Oh,
I'm
yeah?
just like, yeah, okay.
Et c'était pas arrangé.
No.
Not like Janet Jackson, no?
Pardon?
Not like
No,
Janet Jackson, no?
I would have wore a better G-string than that if I was prepared. No, definitely not.
Jennifer, vous ne couchez même pas à Montréal ce soir. Vous partez ailleurs. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire? Marc est déçu.
Sorry. I am actually going to dinner tonight, so yeah, I'm going to the Casino de Montreal. You want to come?
Your dog is dead.
Jennifer, merci beaucoup d'avoir été ici. C'est très, très, très gentil. Et bon retour à Toronto.
Thank you so much. And before I go, I just want to hand this something here. You have to read this.
Il y a deux choses qui m'attirent au Québec. Le Casino de Montréal et Danny Turcotte.
Merci, Jennifer. Merci d'avoir été là. On va revenir dans 2 minutes.